traders, welcome back. It's the beginning of the whole new trading week, and it's a great time to have a look at the global stock market indices and the big picture where we are starting the new week. Last week was very interesting, and this upcoming week won't be anything less than last week, I think so. Well, let's start from SPY, Spider. It's still trading on yellow mode, struggling with 200-day. It's been forming a bear flag, or someone might say it's been forming a trading range here. We might see break out to the upper side this upcoming week. Actually, I'm expecting that, but I'm not forecasting or predicting anything here. We just trade the markets as they are, and this looks very interesting. Keep your eye on this 40-week moving average. This is the weekly chart of Spider, and we uploaded a 40-week moving average here and 20-week moving exponential average here. So these are our main indicators and gives our signals of the market conditions. In the European markets, Euro Stoxx 50 still on red mode. It's not a good looking chart. It's actually pretty ugly chart. The European markets have been in huge difficulties in last week's almost a whole year. So this is very sold off market. It's interesting, but I wouldn't be very bullish on it at the moment. And in Germany, telling pretty much the same story. It's trading downwards, even though it might have short-term bounce here, but I think it's still looking downwards. It might be found some short-term support here, but nobody knows. We'll see. And Italy, I think I don't have to say anything about this. And Spain, well, pretty much same as Italy. And France, well, where's the difference? Can't see anything. And United Kingdom, pretty much the same story. Asian markets are more interesting in my point of view. India is trading on yellow mode. It's been bouncing off the lows here and trading between 20-week and 40-week moving averages. This is very interesting. Are we heading back upwards, or are we rolling down? This is a big question here. And South Korea still having troubles with 40-week moving average, trading on yellow mode. Thailand breakout from weekly bull flag formation. Next week will pretty much tell us if there's a follow through here, or are we heading back to the flag formation and forming a false breakout, which pretty much is a confirmation of downtrend here, but we'll see. And Japan, backtesting the old trend line, trading on yellow mode. These averages are not crossing yet, but they are very close to each other at the moment, so keep your eye on this. And Singapore, bouncing off from the 40-week moving average, having difficulties with 20-week moving average, forming some kind of a support here. And China, it's just bouncing above both of the moving averages, or they are actually trading at the same at the moment, and those moving averages are almost crossing each other at the moment. And this is interesting. I will follow this very closely upcoming weeks. And Australia, backtesting our previous support or previous resistance line. It's not a first try here, but this might be successful. Keep your eye on this. If we can break out this trading range, we might test higher levels here. This is very interesting too. And South Africa, on yellow mode, trading around 40-week moving average, about below 20-week moving average. Nothing big here. We've been rolled over, formed some support here. Upcoming weeks will tell the story. And Brazil still inside this downward sloping channel. Is the bull flag, or are we heading really south? Don't know, but these moving averages are crossing pretty soon. And Russia still trading below 40-week moving average after breaking out from this upward sloping channel and uptrend here. Gold trading on green mode, having really big difficulties penetrating this GLD 123 level here. This might need some kind of pullback before jumping to the new uncharted territory here, but we'll see. And oil, USO, is backtesting our previous trend line. It's been very weak, a lot of bad news, a lot of hesitation, a lot of bad economic data bringing oil down. This is interesting chart. This is very interesting trade in longer term. I think oil is poised to rally on a long term. It really needs to go higher. There is absolutely fundamental support for this, but technicals here are not suggesting us a short-term rally, but if we can successfully break this previous trend line, we might see some short-term rally here. USO is very sold. It's been forming trading range here. This is worth watching out also this week. And silver, our last commodity here, trading on a green mode, trading above its 20 and 40-week moving average, and trading well off the uptrending trend line. Nothing dramatic here. It's been forming a kind of trading range here, waiting for breakout or breakdown. My bet is it's breaking up some point here, but only the future will tell us. Thanks for watching us, and until next time, trade well.